artists! Today we are going to draw a super cool rainbow staircase. Let's start drawing!
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Okay, friends. First, we draw the side railings of the staircase. Draw a big curved line going up. Now, draw another curved line next to it. Great! These are two parallel curved walls of our staircase. Awesome job! Now, let's make the stairs. Start from the bottom. Draw a small horizontal line inside the walls. Now, go a little up. Draw another horizontal line. Keep going up, step by step, line by line. Wow, look at that! Our staircase steps are coming to life. Make sure all your steps connect nicely to the sides. And nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Trace around the staircase slowly and carefully. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time for the best part, coloring. Show your color pens. We are using rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Your staircase looks so bright and beautiful. Amazing work, little artists. You drew a rainbow staircase all by yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you in the next art adventure. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.